You are scrolling the LinkedIn and you're seeing your friends, peers, they're already getting a job, but why not me? I know the feeling what you feel, what I did and what is going wrong. Am I not capable? Am I not suitable? Okay, these all question comes and you start comparing yourself and you feel you left behind. और जो रेस चालू ही है उसका कोई एंड ही नहीं है. It is a endless, the race which I cannot win. But here is the secret. Why to compare? See, comparing yourself with others who have win that, okay, that is a absolutely unhealthy and unhelpful. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to share some experiences which I have gained while working with my participants and certain powerful techniques that will help you to reduce your anxiety, will stop comparing with the others, and will help you to focus on yourself. Because comparison will hold your career comeback into workforce. Hello everyone, I am Tejaswita and welcome to my channel that is Pro Career Ignition and I'm your career re-entry coach. So I wanted to help 1,000 lakhs women who wanted to restart their career without having any guilt feeling and the less confidence. So comparison always there and due to that आप अपने आप को अंडर एस्टिमेट करना चालू कर देते हो. And one of my participant also she did the same thing because she thought like a 2 years break will not create any problem. But when she started going for the interviews and when she started receiving the rejection, she started comparing herself with her old colleagues. My God, my old colleague has already reached at this point, and why I'm not able to crack one job interview also. उसका impact ये हो रहा था, the opportunities what she was getting, she was not focused on that. Her focus had completely shifted to watching what others are doing, and she started comparing herself. इस बंदे ने मेरे साथ काम चालू किया, now he has reached at that position and he has learned so many things, she has learned so many things. इसी चक्कर में the skill set, the mindset what you require to apply jobs, attend interview, आप पूरी तरह ड्रेन हो जाते हो ये थॉट प्रोसेस से. एंड दिस इज एब्सोल्युटली नेगेटिव थॉट आई विल से. सो डोंट कंपेयर एंड डोंट ट्राई टू जस्टिफाई योर सेल्फ ऑल्सो कि आप कैसे बेटर हो. नो, you be with yourself, and that is only I'm going to share certain techniques, certain exercise also. And let's deep dive because this topic is very important because आप journey तो चालू कर देते हो बट उस जर्नी में पेशेंस रखना, कॉन्फिडेंस रखना, अपने आप को फोकस रखना बहुत ज़रूरी है. सो लेट्स डीप डाइव. नाउ लेट्स टॉक अबाउट लाइक हाउ द कंपैरिजन हर्ट योर करियर कमबैक. ये आपको ऐसे महसूस होता है, नो नो आई एम नॉट डूइंग दैट, बट दैट्स अ फैक्ट बिकॉज द मोमेंट यू सी योर कलीग और योर फ्रेंड इज डूइंग गुड, you start feeling like am I capable or not. And that period, especially when you are into the job search and when you wanted to re-enter, you wanted to do the career comeback, that is a very vulnerable period phase जहाँ पे आपके फीलिंग्स ऊपर नीचे होते रहते हैं. यू फील very happy also sometimes and same time you can go with these sad emotions also. So that's absolutely creating a toxic loop कि आपको खुद को नहीं समझ में आ रहा है हो क्या रहा है. आपको इंटरव्यू कॉल लेटर है, यू आर वेरी हैप्पी, but if you're not getting the any reply from the employer, immediately you become sad. So this is a loop of the toxic. ऑन टॉप अप लिंक्डइन पे आपने गलती से किसी के बारे में पढ़ लिया, आपके कलीग के बारे में, एंड यू आर फीलिंग लाइक ओ माय गॉड ये क्या हो रहा है. सो दैट इज ऑल्सो क्रिएटिंग अ अनहैप्पीनेस इन योर बॉडी. डायरेक्टली इनडायरेक्टली हॉर्मोन्स स्टार्ट रिएक्टिंग दैट वे. सो रिमेंबर वन थिंग, आप जो सोशल मीडिया पे देख रहे हो दैट इज नॉट द ट्रूथ. एब्सोल्युटली दैट इज नॉट द ट्रूथ. एंड द रील आप गो थ्रू कर रहे हो, पर्सन इज वेरी हैप्पी, person has got the job into dream company, but you don't know the what struggle that person has taken. Has anyone shown that in the video? No. Then why to watch? Why to invest that time into those reels which is, sucking your energy absolutely? So don't watch those videos. As I said, the reality is something different when people are showing something. So comparison, constant comparison, what will happen? It will shift your focus away from what exactly you have aimed at. What is your goal? So comparison always create the doubt and the lost confidence. So keep away from the comparison. You don't need to compare yourself. You as person is very beautiful, talented, so no comparison required. नाउ लेट्स जंप ऑन द टेक्निक्स. हमने बात तो कर ली है कंपैरिजन से क्या इम्पैक्ट होगा, बट नाउ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, उसको कंट्रोल कैसे करना है. सो फर्स्ट थिंग, ट्रैक योर ओन प्रोग्रेस. नाउ ट्रैक योर ओन प्रोग्रेस मीन्स व्हाट? आप जो दूसरों के साथ अपने आप को कंपैरिजन कर रहे हो, rather than that you put yourself, compare yourself with you only. So what I mean, you remember like a 2 years back, 3 years back, 10 years back, how was you? And start comparing yourself. You can take the notepad, and wherever you have achieved something, note down those achievements and start comparing कि उस टाइम मैं ऐसे थी, अभी क्या हुआ, and start making changes in yourself, because your whole own journey only will help you to come out from this difficult situation, because will motivate you. Yes, that's the right word. Will motivate you जो आपने पहले किया. For example, if I talk about, I was very good into sports. I got few prizes also. I was good into dancing. But whenever I feel low, I remember, I go back in those days, and I imagining ki how I was, you know, eager, how I was passionate to do those things. And those passion only, that particular passion only I try to bring back again and cheer up myself. So start journaling everything wherever you have gained confidence, certain incidents and all, and read that moment and again live a life how you were before. Don't compare yourself. Once you have noted down about the what you have done 10 years back, 5 years back, then start doing writing what have you achieved in that particular day, particular week, and feel happy. At least you have achieved that. Rather than saying like मैंने कुछ भी नहीं किया पूरे दिन में. No, your day will not go without doing some अच्छे काम करके कुछ ना कुछ आपने किया होगा, एंड बी सेटिस्फाइड, बी हैप्पी इन दैट मोमेंट. एंड जो सोशल मीडिया इज अ सेकेंड टेक्निक विच आई एम गोइंग टू शेयर. तो सोशल मीडिया पे आपका टाइम लिमिट करो. If you're watching certain things, you're following some people which is not useful for you, limit that. You can cut off also completely and watch some meaningful video which will help you to gain some knowledge. Keep away from the negative thoughts and then give you the positive energy by watching that. Maybe some music you can play and do 10 minutes quick meditation the moment you feel you're feeling very low. So these kind of things you can use for the social media. You can use the social media, but certain videos, certain things which is bothering you, so cut down the time and see the changes. So next technique which I said, like आपने social media तो cut कर दिया, but same time you should not forget like whoever has a played role in your life, whoever has come in your life, okay, whoever has helped you previously, now who's helping, show the gratitude. ज़रूरी नहीं है आपको पर्सनली जाके उनको थैंक यू बोलना है. ओके, नाउ फोन एंड अदर फैसिलिटीज आर, यू कैन ऑलवेज से थैंक यू. बट if you're not able to do that, मनी मन में भगवान के सामने while praying you can say the thank you to that and show the gratitude. So especially when you, before you go on a bed, okay, that time you can say thank you to people who have made some changes in your life, who have helped you. So don't forget to practice gratitude. The next technique, surround yourself with the positive influencer or positive surrounding is very important because more you listen the negative, आपका अप्रोच भी नेगेटिव होना चालू हो जाता है. By surrounded with the positive people, what happens? You uplift, okay, not only yourself but your belief also, which is stopping you, and that change is very important. Self confidence is more important. एंड कॉन्फिडेंस के लिए ज़रूरी नहीं है कि आपको बहुत अच्छा दिखना ज़रूरी है. कॉन्फिडेंस रिफ्लेक्ट फ्रॉम योर एटीट्यूड, फ्रॉम योर कम्युनिकेशन, फ्रॉम योर लिसनिंग. These are the three important things which is required to showcase your confidence. So join supportive group, attend networking events, engage with the people who are having a similar journey, and keep yourself surrounded with the positive people. Action step only thing, like since you are in the journey of searching job, you can join the LinkedIn group and the professional community to gain the knowledge and uplift your positivity and grow with them. So they will also help you, and you will also enjoy this journey. So the next point is like a focus on skill, not on the speed. आपको स्पीड पे ध्यान नहीं देना है. एवरीबडी हैज़ अ डिफरेंट जर्नी एंड डिफरेंट टाइम फ्रेम कि वो गोल अचीव करने के लिए. गो विथ योर स्पीड. आपको फोकस करना है कि आपने जो गोल सेट डिसाइड किया है, यू हैव मेक इट इनटू दी माइक्रो गोल्स, छोटे छोटे इसमें, एंड यू आर अचीविंग एवरी डे. जैसे अफर्मेशन लिखना है, जॉब अप्लाई करना है, इंटरव्यू प्रिपरेशन करना है. फोकस ऑन द स्किल, फोकस ऑन द डेली एक्टिविटी व्हाट यू डिसाइडेड, not on the speed. So उससे क्या होगा? You will feel you have achieved lot of things because it's not a race. It's not a race. It's become a, becoming the best version of yourself gradually by following certain things what you have decided to do daily basis. So pick up a skill relevant to your field. You can enroll for the particular one program, give 30 to 40 minutes daily, and do the improvisation. Do some dummy projects. If you're not getting some dummy project, you can create, and then you can check how you have developed your skills. So many things are there which you can do it. You don't need to demotivated for that. Like आपका speed अलग है और दूसरों का speed अलग है. So focus on the skill set rather than going on the focusing on the speed. So now I'm going to share one exercise. Due to by doing that exercise, you will build the confidence. So basically, it's called the confidence rebuilding exercise. What you need to do, actually, you have to take a piece of paper and you have to divide that paper into two, like a through pencil margin. One side you will write about like in one column, first column you will write about like a negative thoughts which are coming every time, and whole day what negative thoughts are coming. And the second section, second column, you will convert those negative thoughts into the positive. So for example, I'm not suitable, okay, I am a capable, positive thoughts. If you are thinking like I'm not a capable mother, I'm a most lovable, lovable mother who's taking care of my kids from my bottom of my heart. So by writing this, your negative thought which is coming automatically shut down, and you will start feeling overjoy about the positive thoughts what you're getting. You're reframing, you're imagining that, and automatically you start manifesting when you're writing your positive thoughts. So by doing this exercise, many candidates, many of my participants, they got the result. So I'm very sure you will also get the result. Initially you might will feel, oh, what I'm doing, but by regularly doing this, see the magic. 7 days if you will do it, you will start manifesting those affirmations in your mind and you will see the change. So let me recap again like what we talk about. So first technique is about the track your own progress. Okay. The second thing, like a limit your social media. Third is the practice gratitude, say thank you to people. Fourth is the surround yourself with the positive people, and the fourth is the focus on the skills, not speed. So remember, your journey is unique, and you are also unique, beautiful, and You don't need to compare yourself with others. Keep the distance from those people who you feel like why you are comparing and it's hurting you, because your growth is up only limited. It's your growth is your growth, okay? Nobody is going to do that. How you are going to contribute in your growth, that is up to you. So be patient, be focused, that's more important, and importantly, stay positive. Don't bring any negative thought, do that exercise. So if you like this video and it's helping you, don't forget to subscribe my channel, hit the like button, and share this video with those people who are thinking others are achieving but I'm not achieving. Surely this video is going to help them. Till the time, thank you very much and see you in the next video.